Hi, this is my video presentation portion of the CS50W Mail Project. As you can see, this is the login page, and when the user logs in, they're taken directly to their inbox. Unread messages are displayed with a white background, and read messages are displayed with a grey background. The icons here also indicate whether a message is read or unread. Similarly, with the sent box in the archive folder, each message displays the sender, the subject, and the timestamp of when the message was sent. And as you can also see, the name of the respective mailbox appears at the top of the page. If I click on an unread message in the inbox, the message will be displayed and marked as read. As well as the message body, each message displays the sender, the recipient, the timestamp, and the subject line. At the bottom of each inbox message, the user can choose to mark the message as unread, archive the message, or reply to the sender. The mail icon on the right will take the user back to the respective folder, in this case the inbox. As you can see, this message now appears with a grey background to indicate it's been read. If I go back into this message again, this time I'll archive it. So if I click on the archive button, you'll see that the message has now disappeared from the inbox, but now appears in the archive folder. And if I view the message in the archive, I can also use the button to unarchive it, and it'll be displayed in the inbox again. Going back into the same message, I can also mark it as unread if I choose. The app will then return the user to the inbox, and the message is displayed as unread. In the sent folder, the options to mark as unread and to archive are not available, but I can click on the mail icon to return to the sent folder. This message also demonstrates having replied to a message, with the subject line having the requisite RE : preceding the subject, and the original message identified below the response with the date and sender. As can be seen, these appear in a different color. There is also another reply to this message which I can see in the inbox. Again, the previous replies to this message are also identified with the sender and date in a different color for readability. To compose a new message, I can just click on the Compose button and fill in the necessary fields. If I choose an email address which doesn't exist on the system, an error will be displayed. Once I select a valid address and everything else is okay, I can send the message and then see it displayed in the sent folder. If I log into that user's account, I can then see the message I've just sent. If I select it and reply to the message, the form is pre-populated with the recipient, subject line, and the text body. If I send this, I'll then be able to see the response in my own inbox. If I reply to it again, you'll see that the subject line is prefixed with just the single RE :